Hi guys, in this video I'm talking about supply and demand on Nasdaq. Okay, so a lot of times I see online people ask, does supply and demand or SMC, does it work on indices, does it work on cryptocurrencies? Yes, it works on indices, metals, currency, cryptocurrencies. It works even on synthetic indices. Okay, so I think, okay, yesterday I took a sell trade on Nasdaq and it was a profitable one using supply and just demand. Okay, I didn't even have to stress on the trade at all. And I think that was, today is Thursday, right? That was on, I think on Wednesday I came on the charts. Since the beginning of this year, I have not been trading indices. I've basically been on my GBP USD and Euro USD. But I think I just came on the chart randomly and I was like, let me see what Nasdaq indices has been doing since the start of this year. And I got on the chart, and the first thing I noticed was I noticed on this, okay, let's just start on this 15 minutes time frame. On this 15 minutes time frame, what caught my eye was first this FVG right here, this fair value gap, which is also known as imbalance. Okay, and also if you go down just right there, this is yet another FVG. So I saw these imbalances in the market and I was like, wow, I think we have good trades to catch on Nasdaq. So I decided to pay attention and watch. Then the next thing I did was set alerts at this level right here. I wanted to see where market is going to go to first, because of course we have a break of structure from right here. Okay, market pushed all the way up, pushed down, and we are presently pulling down. And as at this point now, price looks like it's going to push up to go fill up this imbalance that was left behind right here. Okay, so I wasn't interested in actually buying this this pair. As at, I think Wednesday I wasn't interested. I was more focused on my GU and EU trades. Okay, so but I had an alert set at this point, and I think on that day market pulled up. Actually, yeah, as you can see, market pulled into my point of interest. Then my alert went off. I came on the chart, I checked, I was like, oh wow. So price came in, tapped into this and fell. I think there was a news release that also affected the currency pairs. This movement, I caught this push to the upside on Euro USD. I think that was on Wednesday. That was on Tuesday, yeah, on Tuesday, not Wednesday. So this happened. I was like, wow, interesting. So I just left this. Then yesterday on Wednesday, I came on the chart and price came back up into, yeah, price came back up into this supply zone again properly, and I decided, okay, I was going to get into a trade this time around on Nasdaq. And also coming on the chart, I saw that market left behind this FVG right here, and it will be filled later on, right? So with this, I started monitoring my chart and I was looking for confirmation entry to short this particular trade. So at this box right here, this box is my Asian range. Okay, I have a video explaining this Asian range concept. This is the indicator I use for it. So this box right there is my Asian range. I do not trade during the Asian range section. Okay, so now we are in the London session, my best session to trade. So I started monitoring this trade and I was really happy to sell because of course we had a break of structure right here. Market broke below this low because this was the structure that pushed us into this supply level, and now we created this low right here. This low pushed up, clearing out the Asian range high. Whenever I trade during the London session, I always like that market clears out the Asian range liquidity so that I can know what my bias is for the day. And as you can see right here, I was indeed happy to see this Asian range high being cleared out with this candle right here. This always kind of give me more confirmation, like more confidence to take my trade. Okay, for example, now I want to sell this market, I want to sell this pair, and as you can see, my Asian range high has been taken. It gives me more confidence to take my sell as opposed to taking sales probably at this level of this box right here. Okay, so let's move forward now. So saying this, Asian range I grabbed, then we broke structure right here. I saw this as a good opportunity. This is a supply zone right here, as a good opportunity to short this pair right into this FVG right here. Okay, so let me just add this right here. So I then got into my trade from around this level. Then my stop loss was at this high. Okay, because for me, I always like to give my trades breathing room. Okay, I don't like to have that tight stop loss. Okay, if there is room for you to expand your stop loss, you can do so, but always keep in mind your risk management as well. Okay, while doing that, you want to make sure you are still in line with your risk management. Okay, so I add my entry just right there. I think market even mitigated this zone before I manually executed a sell on my MT4. So let me have that played. So market, as you can see, market came back, tapped into this place. Later on, market came back again. Okay, market was there for some hours, I think. Let me see. This was almost 3 hours. Why price was just hovering around there, but I just left the trade to run and markets pushed all the way down. Okay, so at this particular point again, we had another break of structure right here. Okay, as you can see, our market came back up here to mitigate this level. I wanted to get into another trade right here, but I just decided to ignore as I have open trades on my GBP USD and Euro USD at this time also. So I didn't want to get into a lot of trades actually, but this would have been another great sell opportunity right here. This would have been another great sell opportunity, and still targeting this imbalance field or this demand level that we have right here. Okay, so that was how I used supply and demand to get this 1 to 6 RR trade, which is over 2,000 pips in the market. So guys, this is just it about the Nasdaq trade I took yesterday. Market price action was really nice. Market went straight into take profit. So when you want to get into trades, you want to understand why you are getting into the trade. What confirmations are you having? Where does liquidity lies in the market? Where has liquidity been grabbed? Okay, right here now I was able to see that liquidity was grabbed at the Asian range high, and markets broke this last low, came back for a confirmation entry, and I was able to target where we have imbalances in the market. And also, as your entries are very important, so are your exits. You want to make sure you are securing your trades and getting out of your trade at strategic levels. Okay, because right here, why I took profit at this zone, because this is another demand level. Okay, that price could react off from, probably buy to mitigate yet another level probably here before continuing to push down. Okay, and also I am an intraday trader. I want to be in and out of my trades in a day. I'm not interested in holding trades for too long. So you want to make sure you are getting out of your trades at strategic places and psychological levels in the market so that you can secure your profit. Okay, so now I'm still looking forward to selling this pair actually, because now you can see that we have all of this liquidity acting like support right here. Okay, acting like support at this level. So I think markets came from this demand zone and bought all the way up, but I think that was overnight. I was not in the trade. Let me play that quickly. And so I'm still looking for opportunities to short so that we can clear this low and probably price can get into these levels right there. Okay, so that will be all for this video, and I hope you are able to learn something from it, and I hope that you use this method or strategy in your future trades to catch nice profitable trades in the foreign exchange markets. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comment section. I will definitely respond to them. Have a lovely week.